everybody's staying safe at home. Well, this is a video that I had recorded about a month ago. I was still in Hawaii, and I'm going to be doing two tiles here, the SheleeArt technique, using sort of peacock colors. So the colors will be down in the description below, and you could have paused at the beginning, and it shows all my colors I used. What's different about this is I didn't have my Color Place Satin pillow. So what I did is I used it's called Art Alternatives, just regular acrylic paint for my pillow, which I'd never tried before. And other than that, it's my regular recipe, but I did use Australian Floetrol on this also. So the pillow was Art Alternatives Titanium White, right out of the bottle, no medium. The medium mix that you mix with the colors was 50% bare high gloss deep base enamel, 8300, 20, that's 50% that, 25% Memwax polyacrylic, and 25% Joe Sanyo varnish. So you can use pretty much any gloss polyurethane besides that varnish. The Cell Activator is Australian Floetrol, 4 parts to Amsterdam black oxide, 1 part. So as you can see, I'm layering them on top. The recipe will be down in the description along with all the colors. So everybody stay safe. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up, and please like and subscribe, and take care. Keep on pouring. Bye.